Rangbashnong Eswar, speaking with DD News, informed the benefits received by the villagers from the ICDS Anganwadi Centre. He said the Anganwadi Centre monitors the growth and maintains a growth chart by weighing the children on a monthly basis. The purpose of the Anganwadi Centre is to provide all the basic facilities provided in preschool and supplementing the nutritional needs. The beneficiaries of the centre appreciated the efforts of the government in providing the complete nutritional need and care through the Anganwadi Centre. The enrollments of beneficiaries into the centre are in 3 categories: 52 under the 6 months to 3 years, 74 under the 3 years to 6 years, and 23 under pregnant and nursing mothers, and 1 under adults. The Anganwadi Centre caters to the nutritional needs of 105 families in the village.
Habang iwan bu ikun jangan ku ICDS ibu ni ya dikintai dan jenang jumsat bat ikinlekan jumsat jingwai wakan bat kebam bat kelamet bat keburam ke akor bat kejingkut ke kuj ke subak ya isi pun jumsat nega ICDS nado bangila wan nega ICDS bangila ya ro ikun ban bo hamne Nilayo ka jingnang jingstan, nado a gilayo ban tiphagan ni rasul. Nang ta ka jingle khoi, ro king ya I ba labon bhai khna gilakala na ka wei ka pot ka wei ka pot. Bat ni don ro ka jing ni itho ro ba gi khon, nado ba gilawan hang ne, gilayo ka buram ka akor.